Hi and welcome to camp. Today we're looking at a bird strike on a DJI Air 2S drone. Thanks for coming along. Hope you enjoy the video. So this is the first flight with this drone, and what I use the drone for is to check out the calves, the cattle, see if there's any new babies, and also look out for wild dogs. This happened to be the first flight. The wind was rather gusty today. It was 25 to 35 knots, south to southeast. These guys here are just on an old bale of hay, just Rhodes grass. This is the normal speed on the bird strike. It was a plover, and then we went back. I did a slow motion version. The plover actually hit one of the propeller blades and nearly cut it in half. Nothing to worry about really, it's just a replacement blade. This is just an example of what I do. I think this is 22. She's due any day. I didn't get quite close enough to be able to read the name tag. So I'll go out later on the quad bike and check her out. So I can fly around the cattle, check them out and see what's going on. This is 21, she's overdue a calf. See the 2111. This is a very marshy area. It's hard to even walk through this area. The drone makes it easy to check out the girls. If I get too close, they'll get spooked. I'm very impressed with this drone. It's I had a Phantom 4, which is like twice the weight of this drone. This is a light drone, but way more modern. Anyway, we're just going to fly back up to the house and check out the calf to 02 now. Thanks for coming along. Subscribe and like the channel if you like the videos. And thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Bye for now.